Hello everyone, this is a team member of The Click, Yogesh Kumar Chaube. I am a student of Mechanical Engineering Department, Civil Polytechnic, Jharkhand. And these are my team members, Dr. Sonu Kumar, Mechanical Engineering, Mohit Man, Mechanical Engineering, Nitish Kumar, Electrical Department. And we have approximately completed this project multiplication board game under the supervision of our mentor, Mr. Rajesh Bhuria sir, and other supporting faculty, Devashish Roy sir and Samir Sharma sir.
So in this multiplication board game, here it is 36 numbers are here, and you can see that total 18 numbers of switches are here. First 9 switches are for player A and second 9 switches are for player B, and you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, these 9 digits are here actually, and this is my digital screen. Okay, so we have approximately completed this project. In this today's globalization, the modern generation has become far away from Indian history and geography and Indian ethical culture. So we have thought this multiplication board game project related to the Indian history and Indian culture. Hence every player play their turn and learn multiplication table with specific culture and history of individual states like Shahrul from Jharkhand, Chhat from Bihar, Bihu from Assam and many more. This game is invented surely for KG and primary students because they have learned this multiplication table in their KG and primary stage, and that's why they can play this game, they can learn this multiplication table with the Indian ethical culture sense, with the Indian history sense and with the geographical sense. Now you will see this interesting game, how it will work.
In this multiplication board game, here are 36 LEDs and each LED comprises of 2 individual LED. The total number of LEDs is 72 plus switches to A 9 switches, B 9 switches, so 9 9 18, total 72 plus 18 individual ports we require, but in this case we use 89C51 microcontroller.
So now we will demonstrate that how the two player will game this multiplication board game. Okay, so here you can see that A for the 9 switch and B for the 9 switch. So let's first player will play any of the button like 2. When A player will press the button 2, that time 2 will be covered. Again second time the B will turn any number, so let's take it B will press 5. So when B will press 5, the multiplication of 2 into 5, 10 will be blocked for the B. Here red indicates the A color and blue indicates the B color. Second turn, next A will just take it 1 point number. Let's A will press the button 1. So for that case, the last turn is 5. 5 into 1, that is 5. So number 5 will be blocked. And after again B's turn, let's take B will press number 7. So 7 into 1, number 7 will be blocked. So according to this game, when the first player complete the any vertical 4 numbers or horizontal 4 numbers consecutively fulfill the horizontal or vertical 4 numbers, that player will win this game. And for that every single number, when the player press any one single button, for that case this is our digital screen. For the lack of resource we are not able to fit this digital screen. For every pressing the number in this digital screen, some ethical culture will focus, and so that the player who are playing, he can learn that ethical culture is from which state and from the India. Okay, let's play. So here Mohit and Sonu, 2 players are playing the game. Mohit gave his first turn 1. So when first turn in the digital screen, the ethical culture will arise. This is Shahrul from Jharkhand. The second turn is Sonu. When he gives second turn, that is second ethical culture as shown in the digital screen, that is Onam Kerala. And the third turn is from Mohit. Mohit press 3 and he has covered 6 because 2 into 3 is 6, and the digital screen complete Kumbh Mela from Uttar Pradesh. Fourth turn, press 1 and he complete 3 because 3 into 1, 1, and digital screen has shown Pongal from Tamil Nadu. And next turn from Mohit, he press 7, he complete the first 2 consecutive vertical column. Now it's a Mohit challenge for Sonu, how he will cross it. Oh, he is playing for the game and he is completed in another way. And the next turn in digital screen, this is Lohri from Punjab. Now it's a turn for Mohit. He gave 5 and consecutively 3 vertical column has completed, and Sonu has a challenge how he will stop Mohit. And it's on the digital screen already. Bihu Assam is focused, and again Sonu has given the uncertain way turn, and this is the last turn for Mohit. Can Mohit win the game? Can Mohit win the game? Mohit press 2 and he complete 8. He break the vertical path of Sonu. In the digital screen, it has arisen Chhat from Bihar. This is a dance, this is a festival of Bihar. He again Sonu press 5. Again the blue consecutive completed, and now what the player will do the game. He pressed 5 and he completed the first 4 vertical way, and has arisen this Lohri from Punjab. It's a festival of Punjab. So thank you Mohit for winning the game. Thank you Sonu for participating in this game. Okay, according to the previous game, you can see that the first player win the game. That's why in the digital screen A win it is shown here. Actually, according to the previous game, there are 1, 7, 15, 25. These 4 numbers are consecutive vertical number has been completed by the player A first. That's why he win the game. So we have all the attached all the LEDs and microcontroller, but due to the lack of resource in Jharkhand, the digital screen we have not attached with it, and due to the programming error we have not fully completed this project. But we are trying our best, and we are sure that if this project is if this board game is played by the KG students or primary level students, so they will very enjoy this game, and for the every turn they will see some ethical culture, or they will learn some ethical culture from this digital screen. Thank you.
We have given our best effort to complete this game, but we hope that the KG students and primary students will really enjoy the game and learn from the game, the multiplication, about the ethical culture, about the history and different other regional things which today we are losing because of globalization.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.